100 million. That's the number of messages Respond.io, a Malaysia-based Saas company, manages per month after migrating to AWS. Their platform helps companies manage all their customer messaging in one place, and they now have more than 10,000 customers. And here's the interesting part. They only use 4 core AWS services. Which ones? Let's find out. Number 1, Respond.io currently stores over 1.5 terabytes worth of data from 2.6 billion messages in Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database designed to run high-performance applications at any scale. Did you know that DynamoDB offers continuous backups and automated multi-region replication? Number 2, the platform uses Amazon S3 or Simple Storage Service with Amazon Athena to export these messages. This allows users to quickly search customer chat logs, follow up on previous exchanges, and effectively manage sales communications. Number 3, Respond.io also provides its customers with extensive reporting features that help them extract powerful insights from the vast amount of data created through customer messaging. This reporting module is powered by Amazon OpenSearch service, which allows you to perform interactive log analytics and real-time application monitoring. Number 4, the platform also leverages AWS Lambda for its workloads on the serverless architecture. This helps admins create a simple no-code workflow that triggers an automatic response to incoming messages containing specific keywords. Did you know that Lambda allows you to respond to high demand in double-digit milliseconds with provisioned concurrency? In summary, by leveraging AWS's serverless architecture, Respond.io is able to run sophisticated workflows with thousands of executions per minute without worrying about provisioning and managing servers. There you have it. And if you like this video, you're going to love this one.